Have you ever left a conversation wondering if you were crazy, even though you were right? Have you felt that subtle twist in your perception, as if someone had quietly rewritten your reality while you weren't looking? What if I told you that this isn't paranoia? That some people, the ones you call narcissists, are not just manipulative, they are strategists who follow a playbook written centuries ago, perfected by the masters of human control. They do not fight you openly. They dismantle you silently, piece by piece, until you question yourself more than you question them. Most people believe influence is obvious. They think manipulation wears a mask they can spot a lie, a glare, a raised voice. But the truth is far darker. The most effective control is invisible. It hides in charm, in subtle guilt, in that inexplicable feeling of, did I just do something wrong? They don't shout. They whisper, they insinuate, they shape reality around you without ever being noticed. And by the time you realize it, your mind is no longer yours. Here's the brutal observation about human nature. Almost everyone is reactive. They respond to stimuli, they follow emotions, they crave approval. That's weakness disguised as normality. The powerful, those who study influence, strategy, and control, know that perception is more valuable than reality. Status is not what you hold. It is what others believe you hold. Leverage is not strength. It is what others cannot see until it's too late. Narcissists are not chaotic. They are disciplined. They plan, they observe, and they execute with surgical precision. Their weapons are simple yet devastating: doubt, fear, and dependency. They know that people respond more to subtle pressure than open confrontation. They watch, they learn your triggers, your insecurities, your blind spots. And then, almost imperceptibly, they exploit them. Your mind becomes the battlefield, and you never signed up. Think about the famous strategist Niccolo Machiavelli. He wrote about power as a game of perception and patience. The ruler who wins is rarely the strongest or the loudest. The ruler who wins is the one who knows human nature better than anyone else. Narcissists, unknowingly or intentionally, follow the same principles. They hide in plain sight, masking their ambition behind charm, intelligence, or charisma. They make you doubt your instincts, question your morality, and even question your memory. They do not just fight for dominance, they fight for control over your reality itself. Most people assume emotional intelligence is about kindness, empathy, and connection. In the hands of a strategic thinker, it is a weapon. It is the method by which influence is gained without overt conflict. And narcissists, whether they read Machiavelli or simply intuit the same truths, wield it masterfully. They create illusions that feel real, bending your perceptions until you can no longer tell where you end and they begin. Here's the tension few want to acknowledge. The mind is a territory. And if you allow someone to map it for themselves while you react, you are already losing. Most people will never see it coming because it doesn't look dangerous. It looks like conversation. It looks like laughter. It looks like friendship. But power, real power, hides in the calm, the measured, the patient. The narcissist is not chaotic. They are a strategist in waiting, quiet, precise, and deadly. By now, you should feel a cold weight settling in your chest. This isn't theory. This isn't exaggeration. This is the truth many avoid because it forces awareness. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. And understanding this is the first step toward becoming someone who does not just survive manipulation, but anticipates it, counters it, and eventually turns it into advantage. The next step is understanding how deep this control goes. Narcissists do not just manipulate behavior, they manipulate emotion. They craft silences that scream. They withhold validation like a lever, twisting it slowly to shape compliance. They know the value of patience, the power of delay. A word said too soon has no effect. A look held too long cracks the mind. They create dependency without force, leaving you grasping for affirmation you never knew you needed. Emotional mastery is their weapon. They never react impulsively. Anger, fear, desire, all are tools, not weaknesses. Every expression, every micro-movement is calibrated to trigger a response. And here is the cruelest truth. Once you understand it, you start seeing it everywhere. Every conversation, every friendship, every relationship becomes a puzzle of control. And with this awareness comes loneliness, the isolation of seeing reality when others remain blind. Long-term thinking separates the passive from the strategic. Narcissists play the game years ahead. They are willing to endure minor losses, to sow confusion gradually, to retreat strategically, all to win a war you didn't even realize was happening. They understand that perception compounds over time. Small manipulations, repeated silently, shape outcomes more powerfully than any confrontation ever could. Your pain becomes their leverage. Every doubt you carry, every hesitation, every shame is fuel for their strategy. But the power is not theirs alone. Once you recognize it, you can turn pain into power. Every manipulation you survive sharpens your perception. Every lie you detect refines your instincts. Every betrayal becomes a lesson in leverage. Strategic thinking is learned in discomfort, forged in resistance, and mastered through patience. Identity shifts when you move from reactive to strategic. The person who reacts is prey. The person who observes, calculates, and controls their own responses becomes untouchable. Silence, patience, and deliberate action replace chaos and impulsivity. You no longer compete in emotional games. You compete in perception, in leverage, in control. You see the board while others are trapped in the pieces. Enemies are no longer threats, they are mirrors. Every narcissist, every manipulator, every subtle mind controller becomes a case study. You study patterns, anticipate moves, and turn observation into power. Every slight, every attempt at control, every whisper of doubt becomes an opportunity to understand human nature at its most raw, its most honest, its most dangerous. And here is the ultimate truth. Once you see the strategies, the quiet domination, the patient manipulation, there is no going back. Your awareness separates you. It isolates you. It gives you a clarity few dare to carry. Power is lonely because it is seen by few and felt by many. But those who grasp it are no longer naive. Most people will never go further. That's the point. Understanding the dark mechanics of influence, the silent conquest of the mind, is heavy, transformative knowledge. It changes how you see friends, lovers, colleagues, and strangers. It makes every interaction a test, every word a potential weapon. You are not weaker for seeing it. You are stronger, but only if you embrace the discipline, the silence, and the patience that true power demands. Remember, the mind is a battlefield, and awareness is your armor. Manipulators will always exist, and narcissists will always play their ancient game. But those who understand the rules, those who see the subtle, quiet domination, hold the ultimate advantage. Once you know how reality can be bent, you cannot pretend you don't see it. You cannot return to ignorance. And that is the heaviest truth of all. Most people live blind, reacting, hoping, and pleading. You now have a choice. Remain passive, or step into the rare, isolated realm of strategic perception. Power lies in seeing reality, cold and unfiltered, and in knowing that only the patient, the observant, and the disciplined can master it.